Oh my god, oh my god.
Do you want me to record for you, Lovey?
I got it.
You're good? Okay.
Oh my god, this is the one! Holy shit! Holy
big ass air.
fuck! Just wait till you hear this thing go over. This is gonna be fucking...
I'm so excited. This is so cool.
This is the largest aircraft in aviation history.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, good job.
This is the largest aircraft in the world.
You're not on it. Okay, there you go. Good job. Here it comes. Oh my god, bud. Holy crap. Are you ready? It flies over. Here it comes. Oh my god, Oliver!
This thing's the biggest thing in the freaking world. Fucking large. She is fucking large. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube later tonight.
Oh, good job, love. Are you happy?
See if we can. Okay, there we go.
Yay!
You got it, OJ.
Alright.